Nigeria is the only country where the rule of law does not prevail, court orders mean nothing to the government, and the government cannot even uphold their own constitution. It is very terrible. It's a disheartening situation. The sole administrator of Rivers State, Vice Admiral Ibas, has approved the appointment of administrators for the 23 local government areas in the state, less than 24 hours after a federal high court reportedly restrained him from doing so. The appointment, along with the reconstruction of previously suspended board of agencies, commissions and parastels, were announced in a special government announcement issued Wednesday morning by the secretary to the state government. Now, they also noted that these developments will take place immediately. It will take effect immediately. So, the Justice Abraham Mohammed of the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt had granted an interim order restraining the sole administrator for making such appointments. But the sole administrator did not listen to the court's directive and went against the court's directive. And this is a dangerous trend. This is a threat to our democracy. It undermines the very fabric of democracy and governance we have left in Nigeria. Now, we all know that local government administrators are not to be appointed. They are to be elected, democratically elected by the people. But the ones that were elected were forced to resign. They were suspended forcefully. All political appointees of Fubara suspended. In fact, it's like the man is doing a cabinet shake-up in Rivers State. He is doing a cabinet shake-up in Rivers State. In a separate administrative shake-up, Ibas also nullified all pending procurement and tender processes conducted by the ministries, departments and agencies (MDAs) in the state. According to a power statement by the SSG, the cancellation stems from the absence of an appropriation law following a recent Supreme Court judgment. We also saw just last week how this Rivers sole administrator Ibas suspended all heads of states, all heads of MDAs in Rivers with immediate effect. A decision that many people have, questioned. Many people have questioned because it seems that he wants to be in control of Rivers. He wants to control Rivers State. He wants to do things by himself when he knows he's not the governor. And I wonder, Rivers people, what are they doing about this? Are they not tired? How can a foreigner, a stranger, someone who is not of the soil, someone that is not even from Rivers State, come and rule them because of Tinubu's declaration? This is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. It's only in Nigeria you see this kind of thing. We are tired of talking and talking and talking because most of our talks does not lead anywhere. Our judiciary has been compromised. There is nothing, anybody can do about it. And the people should be ready because in 2027 it will be war. It will be war against corrupt politicians. It will be war against this illegality. It will be war against the ills of this government and how APC has turned this country upside down. How APC has turned this country upside down. Indeed, there was a country called Nigeria. Nigeria is not the Nigeria we once knew. The heroes of this country are past heroes. I don't know how they'll be feeling currently because it seems that the fight they fought in the past now in vain. The fight they fought in the past is now in vain because everything has turned upside down. Our current leaders, they've destroyed a lot of things. They've spoilt a lot of things. This was not how they met this country But they've turned things upside down. Look at how Tinubu, through the back door, brought in someone else. Someone else to rule the people of Rivers State. Someone that is not a Rivers man. And now he has removed those, appointees of Governor Fubara, the people's representatives, both at the National Assembly and other appointees. They are gone. Now at the local government level, he's bringing in some new cabals. I'm sure all these things is just geared up towards 2027. And with what's going on, with the massive cabinet shake-up, I doubt Governor Fubara is going to come back. Because they are doing things like, this is how it will be, maybe till 2027. Because I don't see any sign of this man wanting to leave this office anytime soon. No. 6 months is a short time. Soon it will elapse and we'll see what will happen. But I doubt this man will be ready to step down. Because the power he has tasted has gotten to his head. He no longer obeys court order. Even our federal government, they know they obey court order. So now Vice Admiral and I won't call obey court order. It's just so sad that the people would have to endure this. For how long do we continue like this in this country? For how long? This is the highest order of corruption we've ever seen in Nigeria. Nigeria is such a lawless country with such reckless leaders. They make mockery of democracy. On a daily basis, they keep on making mockery of democracy. They keep on making mockery of democracy. I'm sure our founding fathers, our lost heroes, our past heroes, they will be crying and weeping in their graves. They'll be crying and weeping in their graves. We no longer have a competent judiciary. We no longer have competent judges. Everything has been turned upside down because of some politicians that they want to gain the structures. Now they have it. They have it. So this is just so sad, oh, my people. I don't know the kind of game Wike is trying to play here. I don't know the kind of game Tinubu is playing here, but I'm sure, I'm positive that I don't know if Governor Fubara will come back after this 6 months suspension. With the way this man is going around, putting people when he's not supposed to. When he's not supposed to. Giving out appointments. He doesn't have such powers to do so. But the president has given him the powers. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section.